Today I will show you how to create these crazy distorted effects. And to create these crazy distorted effects without building them from scratch and wasting literally hours, I will be using my newest distorted effects pack, which includes over 25 drag and drop distorted modulation style presets that literally give you the distorted visuals instantly. I'll have the distorted effects pack linked in the description so you can easily check it out. And now let's jump into After Effects and I'll show you how to use it. Alright, so once you're in After Effects, all you have to do is press Ctrl+Y to make a new adjustment layer, and on this adjustment layer, let's add the distorted effects. So once you have installed the distorted effects, just go to Animation Presets, User Presets, and open up Distorted Effects. And here, just choose any of the presets. So for example, a really cool one is Analog Vibes Free, so just take it, drag and drop it to the adjustment layer, and literally instantly enjoy the result. I mean, that's an absolutely crazy, like an analog glitch effect. It just looks insane. Alright, and now let's go to the next clip, and here press Ctrl+Y again to make a new adjustment layer. I'm just gonna drag and drop Chaotic Glitching 2, and just look how insane that looks. By the way, I just think that's one of the craziest effects you can get in After Effects. It's just like a completely insane glitch effect. Alright, and on the next clip, I want to show you something kind of like damaged, almost destroyed. I do know that I have destroy effects that literally give you the destroyed look, but for this, I'm gonna drag and drop Modulation Distortion. And yeah, here we go, guys. Absolutely super damaged. This effect actually took a really long time to make. These effects are really not easy to make, so I hope you guys enjoyed this. And a really cool thing with the pack you can do is you can actually combine effects together. So for example, you can press Ctrl+Y, and literally like on top of this effect, you can add like an intense synth, which is like a synthesizer look. And this will be the combined part. Looks super dope, but for this effect, the modulation distortion is actually just way too heavy. So that's why I'm gonna cut it out by pressing Ctrl+Shift+D and delete. So one part of the clip I'll have of the intense synth and the other one with the modulation distortion. And this is the result we get on this one clip. Absolutely insane. And now let's go to the last clip and again make a new adjustment layer. And I want to show you more of like a VHS style distorted effect. So I'm gonna drag and drop Ultimate Distorted VHS. And this is how the Ultimate Distorted VHS looks by itself. But below it, let's press Ctrl+Y, and I want to show you Distorted Reality V2 combined with the VHS effect. And this is how the effects look combined. I mean, you can drag the distorted reality literally like at the start of everything. By the way, the distorted reality effects look like this. They're like the modulation style effects, but they also displace the whole look and just make it look like an actual distorted reality. As you see, that is crazy just by itself. But I think with the Ultimate Distorted VHS, it just makes it look just a little bit better. And this is the final result. Actually crazy. I mean, as you can see, just a crazy glitching chaotic look. Super dope. By the way, I only showed like, what is it, like 6 presets, maybe 5. This pack includes over 25. It would just take too long to show all of the effects. Now we have seen how easily you can apply these distorted effects with just a drag and drop. So if you're ready to level up your VFX and get the distorted looks in literally seconds, I'll have the distorted effects pack linked in the description.